Okay, the first step is actually doing the yellow cross, but we cannot do it like the white cross because that will ruin the whole cube. So let's see how to do it. There's three different cases for the yellow cross. So there's one is when there's only a centerpiece and none of the edge pieces are on the top layer, rather they're on the side like this. The other case is when there's an L shape like this, there's two edge pieces beside each other, and the last case is when there's three pieces next to each other like this. So this is the first case. Let's see how to solve it. So we need to do this algorithm 3 times. So the algorithm starts like this. So we do an F move, and then we do the right hand algorithm. So R, U, R prime, U prime, and then we undo the F turn like that, and now you will get the L shape. So if you get this shape, move it so that it's on the top and it looks like 9 o'clock in a normal clock. So when it's like this, do the same algorithm another time, F move, and then right hand algorithm and F prime. And now as you can see, there's 3 dots or 2 edge pieces beside each other, like opposite to each other, and this is our third case. So we have to do the same algorithm again, and before doing the algorithm, make sure that you held it horizontally and not vertically. So after holding like that, do the algorithm, and now as you can see, we have the yellow cross solved. After the yellow cross is to put all of these corner pieces on the correct place. Now what do I mean by that? Remember how we did the first Y side and the first layer? So we will have to put the corner pieces on the correct place, that is between the correct center pieces, such as this one is between the red and blue centerpiece, this one is between blue and orange, and then this one is green and orange, and this one is green and red. Now these two may look flipped, but don't worry, they are in their correct places actually. So let's see how to put them on the correct centers, correct corners. So here's our yellow cross from before. Now we need to find at least 2 corner pieces that are already in the correct place. Now you can turn the top layer so that they get in the correct place. So let's see. For now, none of the corner pieces are in the correct place. So let's move the cube. Turn the top layer. So now one of them is on the correct place. This one, but none other is. So let's turn the cube again, or turn the top layer. Sorry. And this one is in the correct place, and this one is also in the correct place. So now these two are next to each other and in the correct place. There's 2 cases you can get for this step. One is when these 2 corner pieces are next to each other, or basically beside each other like this, or the 2 solved corner pieces are diagonal to each other. So if they're diagonal to each other, just do the same algorithm 2 times, but I will show you how to do it. So first of all, if they're next to each other, hold these 2 pieces so that they are to the left of your your left side, and now do the right hand algorithm 3 times. So that's 1 and 2 and 3. Now rotate the cube to this way and do the left hand algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you should notice that if you turn the top layer, then all of the corners should be on the correct place. So let's turn it like this. Now this is on the correct place, orange and green. Then this is on the correct place, this is on the correct place, and so is this. So these might not look solved, but they are actually in their correct places. The step after this is solving the yellow side and getting something sort of like this. So let's see how to get that. So first of all, we'll again turn the cube upside down so that now we are facing the white side, solved white side. Now this is a very important thing you need to know, that is, while doing this step, you are not allowed to turn the cube at all, like rotate the cube in any direction. You will only move that bottom layer like this layer. So let's see how to solve the yellow side. So basically make it turn the bottom layer so that at one of the yellow corner pieces are either facing this way or this way. So there already is one, so to solve it we will keep doing the right hand algorithm until it's solved. Let's do it once and twice. Now don't worry that the cube looks distorted and stuff, but as I said, just do not rotate the cube and you will be good to go. So now let's turn the bottom layer so that another piece is here. Now do the right hand algorithm again, keep doing until it's solved, and now it's solved. And then move the layer and so bring another piece, do the same thing, move and do the same thing again. As you can see, everything else is back to being solved, and the whole white side is all yellow side is also solved. Now turn the layer so that all the corner pieces are in the correct place. So turning it like that would put all the corners in the correct place. Now we have the very last step, which is of course solving the whole cube. So the pieces might look like there's two different types of ways the pieces might look like. All the 4 edge pieces are not solved, or there could be at least one side that's solved. Now if there's no sides that are solved, then don't worry, you can hold the cube from any angle and do this set of algorithms. And if one of the sides is solved, then hold the cube so that you're facing that side, and then do the algorithm. So you might need to do it 2 times. So for now we have none of the sides solved none of these 4 sides, so we will do the algorithm from anywhere. Let's hold this side. Now do the right hand algorithm once and do the left hand algorithm on the same side once. Now do the right hand algorithm 5 times. And do the left hand algorithm 5 times. Now after doing this, if none of the sides were solved, at least one side should be solved. Now hold the cube so that you're facing that side now. Now do the same algorithm again. We'll speed things up a bit. Alright, the cube still does not look solved. Don't worry, as I said before, when one side is solved and you're doing this algorithm, you might need to do it 2 times. So let's do it again. And after doing all of that, your cube should be completely solved. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you, and I will be uploading another tutorial in the future, which will be a bit shorter, but you will have to learn 2 newer algorithms for that. Actually 3 newer, because I will show some shortcuts and stuff. So be prepared and stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.